Adding a Todoist widget to your smartphone or desktop allows quick access to your tasks without needing to open the app. Here's how to add the Todoist widget to your device. For Android, go to the home screen. Long press on an empty area of your home screen. Access widgets. Tap on widgets or add widgets. Find Todoist widget. Scroll to the widget options and locate Todoist. Choose widget type. Choose a widget size depending on how much task info you want displayed. Add to home screen. Drag the selected widget to your home screen. Customize. After placing the widget, you may need to sign in or select the project you want to display on the widget. For iPhone, go to home screen. Long press on the home screen until the icons start jiggling. Access widgets. Tap the plus icon at the top left corner of the screen. Find Todoist widget. Scroll and select Todoist from the available widgets. Select widget size. Choose the widget size and tap Add widget. Position the widget. Drag it to your preferred location on the home screen. With the Todoist widget, you can quickly view, add and manage tasks directly from your home screen, improving productivity.